Hi everyone, so today I'm going to share with you how I made this Ramadan Kareem neon wire sign. I always wanted to have one but couldn't find any in Arabic, so I made my own. I hope you'll find it helpful. I used it with wreath, you can use it without. I'll show you the both ways, so keep on watching. So first I'm using this metal effect Ramadan Kareem sign that I made using cardboard. You can check my video, I'll link it down below. So I'm using that with my hot glue gun. I'm just sticking the neon wire on top of it. Hot glue can get dry very quickly on the foil, so make sure you work on a little area at a time. And those dots where the dots are, those areas were a bit tricky to work on it, but if you just hold it for a few minutes, it will be easy to stick on. Just so that you know, this sign is very lightweight, so while sticking it on the wreath, I'll show you in a minute, I just use nylon thread to just tie it on each side. So after sticking it all on, that's how it looks, and it's got excess wire, so I'm just gonna use this masking tape to cover the area so it looks separate, and that way you can just use it as it is on the wall. But there's another way that you can use using a wreath, which I'll show you now. Using outer part of the quilting hoop, I just threaded in the first wisteria stem, and then the second one I used it up on top to just cover that area, and used a cable tie just to tie it and get rid of the excess. I didn't cut the edges of the stem, I just pushed them on top and twist it around. So now I'm using florist tape and just hiding the excess wire. That way in the morning I'll just use it as a wreath, and in the evening just turn the lights on. So I hope you find it helpful guys. Let me know in the comment down below, and thank you for watching.